friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to read 100 chapter of this novel and today topic heading is on being a leader. If you wish to control others, you must first control yourself. This is said by Miyamoto Musashi. One good way to boost your willpower when you are struggling to maintain it is to remind yourself of the benefit of self control. In other words, give yourself an answer as to why you should resist yet another temptation and stay self disciplined. Falling to find a good answer will make you succumb to the urge. So, it is useful to know as many practical benefits of self discipline as possible. One overlooked benefit of self control or a big weakness in a person who lacks it is that leadership is impossible without it. If you demand self discipline from others, you should first have it in yourself. Otherwise, you will lack the credibility that makes other people want to follow you. This applies not only to the most common use of the word leader, such as business leader, but also to any other role in which you are responsible for the well-being of other person of a group of people. Being a parent, being in a relationship, being a part of a local community, etc. Whenever you are struggling to stay disciplined, think of a people whom you consider your lower floors, whether they are your colleagues, your children, your friends, or your neighbors. What would they think of you? And would they still be willing to follow you if they knew that you had failed to embrace the quality that they admire in you? So much that they consider you an important person in their life. What a story that if we want to be a leader and if leader in the any field, it could be in our business, it could be in our job, it could be in our family, that if you want to be an inspirational person that every person inspire from you, so you should be forced to be, then other person will follow you. If you are not a person who is worth considering that you are inspiration for someone, so how other person will follow you? Because we follow a person from whom we can inspire, we want to be like that person. So for that we need to be a discipline, we need to be in self control. Then other person will think that yes, that person is on the track, that person is so self disciplined, that person do everything on time, so people start following you because they you inspire them. So that's why if we want to be a leader, so we need to be control ourselves. And I like this because somewhere we inspire from people and we want to be that person. But if you want to inspire other people, your sibling, your colleagues, your friends, your neighbors, your youngers, so you have to be that person. Then you can say that you should do that. If you are not doing that, how you can say and guide them that you should do that? So this chapter is all about that if you want to be a inspirational person, you need to be a self discipline, you need to do a work which you are bound to do and you are you must do. So this is all about this. I hope you like this chapter. If you like it, hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe the channel for daily updates. We will meet in the next chapter. Till then, bye bye, take care.